Sorry guys, yan nga. This is a live 2v1 from Amity versus Pretty Pink Ponies, and don't blame the kids guys. Tingnan natin paano yung gameplay nila guys. It's been 2 GLs, 3 total of 3 GLs fighting. So ayun, makita ba natin dito ang zombie attack or zombie effect ng Amity guys. So yun, madami pa rin guys ang nag-up sa Amity guys. Tignan naman natin guys, nilalabanan nilang 2 race. Ang dami ng dumapa each race guys, ayun, ang daming zombie effect nga tulad ng extradited ba to? Yun, tignan mo pagkadapa niya, biglang tayo. Ito yung zombie effect ng Amity guys. They are facing guilds at the same time. Guys, welcome. Come and join RF Regicide guys. We hit 500 tonight. Ayun na guys, yung zombie effect ng Amity. Nakita natin tong nadadapang tatatayanin a bit. Tignan nyo guys. This is the zombie effect of Amity. Oh my god. Stick sila lagi guys. Wala lang nagalaw ng iba. Konti na lang yung nagalaw. Guys, this is the best tactic of Amity guys. Yun yung zombie effect. The trademark nila guys, yung zombie effect. Patay tayo. Guys, parang walang namamatay. Correct nga. Parang walang namamatay sa Amity guys. Siguro half ng guild nila, half siguro 2 page to reser lahat. Baka 2 page to reser guys, hindi natin alam guys, diba? Love live talaga to. What's up Harvey? I love you so much Harvey. Thank you for the 15 star. Ayun, 2v1 guys. Look what happened. Amity roll. We can call Amity is currently king of chess map. Amity is the current king of the chess map guys.